Microsoft has redesigned its Word, Excel, and PowerPoint apps to make them simpler and more beautiful. Microsoft has updated its Office apps on iOS and iPadOS. Microsoft Excel has got a new XLOOKUP feature. All 3 Office apps have received Alt Text Pane. Microsoft has released redesigned versions of its mobile Office apps for devices running iOS and iPadOS. The users will get Excel, PowerPoint, and Word apps that now have a reworked interface to allow for quick edits. While there aren't many new features in the latest version of Microsoft Office apps, the user experience has been improved by making the apps simpler to use and faster.
Cleaner and minimalistic.
The updated apps can be downloaded
Microsoft
from
says
the
they
Apple
have
App Store.
made the apps more
Simpler, faster and more beautiful than before. Excel has the most changes while Word and PowerPoint have had a redesigned edition of the Alt Text Pane. Among the Excel changes is XLOOKUP function integration that allows users to find values vertically and horizontally. Microsoft previously released XLOOKUP to Office insiders and received positive feedback, after which it decided to release it to the public. Some of the other features in the updated Excel include the ability to use mail and directly respond to comments and mentions without having to open the workbook.